Tuesday, and there we are, gang. Happy. What is today? Tuesday? Happy Tuesday. It's 8:28. We are a minute and a half early for you guys because that's how good we are, showing up every day, bright and stinking early. Man, so since we have a minute and a half, Trading Cowboy, Mr. Trading Cowboy, let's do a little morning, I don't know, like game plan. What are you thinking? Like, we obviously came up to the 420s overnight, then we sank back down to the 293s. So where's our head at this morning?
Yeah, I mean, on a 5 minute, we've held the VWAP and the 200 kind of all pre-market. So,
Yep.
I mean, we just kind of rode it all night. So, just took a little drop right there. I'm kind of thinking we may get a little pop coming in.
That's what I'm
Get
thinking.
up above those 420s.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, man. So I don't know if I want to chase the long because I could see the pop happening quick, but if we rip up to 420 right away, I might actually take a little stab at a short potentially, just to see if I can get like that half candle retracement or something.
Yeah, we always say the first move is the wrong move. So
right. So here we go.
Sometimes that gets me, but
20 seconds left here, gang. Let's see what the heck happens. Oh, pins and needles. Pins and needles here. And here we go. I mean, usually I like to wait for the first 5 minutes, but lately, man, I've been like, whew.
That's the smart thing. Look at that push.
Wow. Yeah, dude, just a friggin' sinker.
Wow. Oof, that'd have been a good catch, but
wow. Yeah, I know, but again, that stuff's so scary. And what are the chances that it, bounced right before VWAP? It didn't even test VWAP or come down lower.
Yep. Yeah, that's a crazy push, guys. Wow.
Actually, I'm always forgetting my VWAP is a different setting on my Tradovate than it is on TradingView for some silly reason. Yeah, NVIDIA has a gap up. VIX is still crushing down. Qs are curling up. ES is curling up a little bit. We're still, man, it seems like that was a lot of volatility and movement, and we're only a minute in,
Right.
We haven't even gotten to our second candle yet. Man, again, that was the mistake I made that very last day at the BDH during that competition. All right, let's see what we do here at the 420s.
Oh, big push.
But I had a plan not to trade for the first 5 minutes, and that first minute candle felt like a lifetime, man. It felt like it was like 30 minutes. So I'm like, I'm going in. Patrick's like, really? And then when I finally looked, it was like, yeah, literally like a minute and 5 seconds into market open. And I was like, man, I thought that was literally a lifetime. Just shows my inexperience at the time. So it came up and tapped the 410s. Now we're showing weakness again. Potentially a bearish engulfing candle, yeah, to come back down to VWAP here.
Yeah, I mean, right back down. I mean, do we go test the 330, 340 area or no?
Otherwise, I would think, hey, driving obsession. Good morning, sir. Morning. Well, so all of our Londons are well below us. We have London high at 186. London low is actually at 24,957. So absolutely massive range there. Is that accurate? Or did this not update correctly? I don't think this updated correctly. What do you guys have for your London levels?
I don't even have it on mine, to be honest.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I feel like that's inaccurate. All right, so we keep making slightly lower lows, but then we have a middle candle that broke a different high, session high. I would say right now it's way too stinking wiki.
We're having 40, 50 point swings right now, so.
Yeah. Here we are stuck at the 380s.
Follow directions.
Nvidia is pushing down still, interestingly enough. VIX is starting to go up a little bit. Just keep bouncing right at your view up.
Wicked up and wicked down. Yeah.
Which, I wonder if that's the difference between MNQ and NQ. Let me see. I think that's what we found out, right? Oh, yeah, that's annoying, man. So, yeah, the NQ EMA line is obviously, you're seeing it right now. The MNQ, which I slowly trade, is actually lower than that. I don't like that because you've got to imagine that the NQ is more important. Yeah, so when you see wicks like this, I mean, do you even get interested in anything, or is it just kind of, you know, sit out, wait, and see what direction they decide?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty crazy right now. I mean, I'd rather sit and wait, especially if you're trying to pass a couple evals. If you have a fresh one, you know, you could take a stab in it, but
Yeah.
I was going to try to draw some lines, but I don't even know if those lines would be right or not. So,
Right?
I mean, I think a short's kind of in play if we can push through this, but
Yeah, if we break through a view up here.
yeah.
Well, shoot, I mean, again, fuck. How different, man. Look at my screen really quick. Or, I mean, like, you know, look at the shared screen. Now you can see, you know, view up on mine. We're basically, we just keep kissing view up. And then on yours, you know, we're kind of, we've been middling it instead.
Yeah, and on the trade of 8, you know, that's kind of that's the one that the guy programmed.
Yeah.
On my trading view, I've got 350 roughly, so it's a little off.
Yeah. I just feel like there's going to be a trap. There's going to be a big trap here. Like there's about to be. Always have to look at NQ, not MNQ for trading direction. Says driving obsession. Yeah, man, I forgot about that. We literally talked about that a couple days ago, and I switched all my trading views to NQ. So I need to go off of obviously that instead.
You know, nice little bear flag maybe.
Yep, pushing through.
Yeah.
Man, this is where I get excited and I try to chase it. Hey, morning, Charles.
Good morning, Charles.
340s.
So now kind of how far are we going to go? We kind of got a little support right here at the 35s, 36s.
Yep. Shoot.
So get a little bounce or keep pushing right through.
Well, I guess this is the important point here is like the 311s. Let's see how it reacts to the 311s. Still falling, still falling.
Yeah.
All right, so explain your setup again before we get into it. So obviously we have a bunch of red candles here. What we're looking for is a green candle to close, and then we want the very next candle to go halfway up that green candle. No, halfway down the green candle. And then as long as it pushes through the top of it, then that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, you know, I'm kind of looking at that 303 area to see if we get that bounce right there, to see if it's going to kind of turn around.
Yep.
It might be a little fast for us, but just because that's where it bounced earlier this morning.
Right.
So we're either going to get a wick through that or we're going to get a big push. So.
Ooh, yep. Came down, danced at 300.
So I'm going to try a quick one right there. It's a little too fast, but just to get in the trade.
Yep.
Got me in way too late, but we'll see what happens.
And then what you got? You stop at like 291?
Yeah, just barely at the bottom of that wick.
Yeah.
Didn't want to give it too much. And then again, we should wait for this one to close. I got in a little late on it, or I'd be a little more comfortable, but we want to see this one close green and then retrace half.
Yep. Hey, morning, Marco. Flirting with blowing an eval this morning, but the sell-off saved me. Nice, dude.
Oh, heck yeah.
I know, it's always like when the trade's going against you, and then, oh, here we go. Come on, dance up. We need to break 316 now. If we break 316, I'll feel a heck of a lot better. There we go. Thinking about it. So you're moving to break even now, huh?
Yeah, I just took one off, got one left.
Whew! Not a bad trade so far. Boom, got it. Nice, man. Go. Gorgeous trade.
Yeah, a little $1,000.
Yeah.
Morning.
listen, guy. I got my $78 over here. All right.
Hey, that a boy.
Listen, we got our $78 right there. Oh God. Yeah, good trade, good call out.
Okay, so there again, I still have no idea if that's a line that I drew. I don't think it is, but that 303.50 that I have. I mean, it clearly bounced off of it at 7:10, I guess 8:05 and 8:10 your time, but
yep.
It bounced off of it, and I got a yellow line there, so that's just what I was watching. I have no idea what that yellow line is.
Hell yeah. You probably have, I bet you got support and resistance indicators, huh?
Maybe. I mean, I've got the 200, the VWAP, the 21, the ORB, which I guess is, well, that's just American New York, and then the 14, so.
Huh.
But if I draw a line... Okay, if I draw a line, it's yellow, guys. So I don't know where I got that line, but it sure worked out for us for a nice little 50-point move right there.
Hell yeah. I know, that's what I was doing maybe 2 weeks ago, and I stopped doing it. I started drawing lines at all my different like support and resistance channels and stuff like that. And then I was like,
yeah.
Because I started working off this like, volume indicator to the side instead this year.
So 278's our low. Let's see if we tap that. If we don't, I don't know what to... If we push through it real fast, it may be another dip buy you could do, but if we stay above it, then maybe we get a nice V recovery real fast, but...
Well, yeah, I mean, look at the 5-minute right here. I mean, this is, well, 10:50 yesterday. We've been in this giant consolidated chop zone, basically, and right now we're at the bottom of it. Like 280s.
Okay, yeah, so that's where we ripped.
So you're right. If we continue to fall, we're gonna fall, man. We're gonna come down to probably like the 150s.
Yeah. I mean, I think there's kind of 3 things you can watch for right there. If it's a super fast wick through it, and it rips it right back up.
Yep.
Then maybe a reversal. If we stay above it, for sure we may get a nice V recovery. But otherwise, the way it's pushing right now, you just want to kind of stay away for a minute and see what plays out.
Yep. Voice of reason, guys. Don't go chasing this
and it's
car.
Always good to have a nice little. We got our first good trade in, so we have a little bit of cushion, so that always helps.
Yeah. Charles, first target hit. He likes the low 200s for the last micro. Yeah, dude. I mean, if it keeps falling, 100%, which is kind of losing its support right now, if I'm being honest. What time is it? It's 9:42.
Now, Charles, you're my hero, too, also, because you've been shorting this thing and you've been staying in and holding it. And I try to YOLO grab a nice little dead cat bounce and play it. And
yeah.
This morning, we're both winning.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, obviously, I just keep trying, keep trying kind of different styles and melding different styles and taking little fast or little pieces from here, there, and the next place.
Yeah.
But I kind of agree, man. I almost like the quicker trades better. I like to get just in and out, like, whew, all right, I'm good. Me trying to
Yeah.
hold something for 20 minutes, I get itchy. So here we are. We came
I like
back. We
that.
kissed the 9 perfectly at 310. There's quite the move back up as well.
Yeah, I don't want a big wick to form on this. This is a big move, so it's going to be hard to kind of jump in on a little retrace. It may just push straight up, but I really don't want this to be a bull trap
Right.
because I want Charles to win.
I
So
want Charles to win.
so now we're kind of seeing that 300 area, 297, 300 kind of hold.
Yep.
So could get a push up to 325, but
Yep. Popped
I
up
feel
to
like it's trying to trap me.
316.
15-minute candle's finally going to close right here. So now's when we're supposed to start talking about trading.
Right. Yeah. Right. Now we're trading, guys. Everything before this is just fun.
Yeah.
That was just the entertainment portion of our
Yeah.
program. 346 is Charles break even. Wow, dude.
Man,
That was a
it.
good stinking trade, man. Before open, we were so close to high of previous day. I can't imagine we won't hit that today. And that's exactly what we talked about, Mark. As soon as we, sat down here at 928, we're like, man, that 420, is such a juicy target, and it's right stinking there.
Yeah.
Which we almost surmised. I was kind of thinking my game plan originally was, I thought I was going to rocket ship to 420s, and then I was going to try to short the pop real quick. And it didn't. It just started dropping right away. Not that I thought it was going to drop today. I honestly thought today was going to be a bullish day.
That's what they wanted us to think.
That's what they wanted us to think. So here we go. We came down, retraced that green candle about halfway. So would you say you can almost put a, buy at 310 if it pushes through? I guess you want to be conservative and go a little bit higher.
Yeah, I kind of want to see what it does right here and see if this is going to be an inversion or see if this is just a bigger bear flag playing out.
Yeah.
I want this candle to close up here above 300 maybe. I don't want it just to rip back down and sweep these lows again.
Right. Otherwise, I guess that's a solid point too. You're right. If it closes, we almost could consider the shorty shorts then. Let's see. Nvidia's still falling. Oh yeah, Nvidia's kind of past its support point.
Oh yeah, it's below its box, isn't it? Yeah.
Shoot. I'd almost consider the short then, but this is, I don't know, man. It's always such a damned if you do, damned if you don't. Like, it's looking strong, but it's not looking strong.
Yeah, I mean, if it's, being a bull, if it's an inversion, it's going to be a nice move up.
Mm-hmm.
If not, we're going back to the lows. So I'm going to try one right there. I'm going to put my stop down here below, and I'm just going to target the 21.
Nice.
And then you can see the bear flag play right out.
Nvidia has some resistance at 195, says Mark, that has been holding up.
Put it at that wick. So definite bear flag.
Shoot.
Now we just got to see if this is going to be a double bottom or...
Right. Or if it's going to push through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
195.
Trading micros helps a ton for hold time, says Charles. Yeah, I agree, Charles. But then at the same time, I get so frustrated that, like, yesterday I'm on micros and I had a negative $400 day. So it's frustrating. You can still do a lot of damage with these stinking micros. And that was with me only trading maybe like 2 contracts at a time, but I was holding them too long, 2 contracts with a 70 point or 80 point loss adds up quick. VIX is coming down a little bit. But yeah, Nvidia, I don't see where Nvidia's support would be. I think shorts almost have to be the word. I'm gonna try. Oh Christ! Literally, right when I said I'm gonna try it, it wicked. Luckily, it kind of got a little bit higher than I thought. But
yeah.
Shoot, man. All right, so targets being, I mean, yeah, 155 is really the end all be all. That would be a gorgeous target.
Yeah, I mean, write it down with Charles maybe for that 200 area maybe.
Yeah, 212 is where I see another one. I'll try 212, and then I doubt who the hell's ever going to wait till 151? Probably not me, but we'll see. And for once, I'll put stops in, so I'm not silly. Even though, again, this is a 50-point stop. So there you go. Talking about 2 micros, 50 points. It adds up.
Right.
It'll add up.
I mean, VIX is still pushing. Looks pretty strong.
And I mean, Nvidia just got shot in the face.
Yeah.
Look at Nvidia.
Oh, yeah. Crazy.
I mean, maybe it's finds support here, but you'd almost think it'd have to come all the way down to 187 at this point. Oh, dang. My trade's going against me. Fucking trading Cowboys in a long right now, too. He just doesn't want to say it.
Sorry, guys.
Son of a bitch.
I hate to fade y'all when we're going the right way.
Man, you got to tell me though. I shouldn't have went short there.
Well, I just got in it, so I got in. That was my play though. I mean, look at your candles.
Right.
That was my move right there.
Right.
So,
yeah.
I lost. I think 700 on that trade right before.
Right.
Got 300. Just made 1,300 on that little move.
Hell
there,
yeah,
so.
dude.
Got 1663. Passed another eval.
Fuck me. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. Passing them left and right. Left and right. I still got to pass mine. I'm down 181 on the day now. Come on, Greg.
But that was my setup, right? I mean, we talk about that over and over again. I mean, we had that little bounce. This candle closed nice and green, no wick at the top.
Yep.
Had the perfect retrace.
Yeah, man. Beautiful trade. All right. I'm not going to make another trade until you're ready.
And I want to be in with the shorts with y'all guys. It just, man, it's like I can't read the chart going that direction.
Apparently I can't either.
I mean, if it's at the highs of the day and we've never had a pullback, yesterday-ish, when it wasn't getting any pullback at all,
right?
Then I look for shorts the whole time.
Right. Right. Well, I mean, I can't believe
we were going
Nvidia.
to do too. Me and Miguel did some trading yesterday. Hit a few bangers on my session.
Oh, did he?
And I was going to text you, but I didn't want to bother you. But it hit your 414. You
Dude, I fucking know it, man. I was literally out to lunch too at the time, and I looked at my phone really quick, and I was like, "Come on, man!" It was like 4:23 when I looked at it, or something like that.
Yeah.
It's like, you gotta be kidding me.
It hit it twice, and I was like, okay, I gave him 2 chances to get out.
Literally, dude. Literally, man. I was like, come on. Oh, good grief.
Yeah, I agree, Charles. Trading live on YouTube is not for everybody.
Yeah, man.
I think the biggest problem is I just want to be in a trade for you guys.
Yep. I struggle with that a lot, man.
Yeah.
Especially in the beginning, it's just like, it's boring. I got to be in a trade or it's boring.
Yeah.
Actually, when I was doing better trading, and I actually just need to go back into that mentality as well. I would sit down, not even trying to make money or anything else. I would just say, my mentality was make a good short today, right? Make at least one
Yeah,
trade that's really good
yeah.
for a short. And then I just found that, yeah, I would end up having like at least one or two really good trades that session, and that really good trade would kind of overcome any bobbles or mistakes we made. Man, absolutely
I'm gonna try
ripping
one short
still.
right there. I'm gonna put my stop up here. That's a big stop, but
Oh, you just punched
just
a
to see if it can reject these EMAs right here.
Yeah.
That's gonna keep pushing. That's why I don't like
Oh,
my short game, guys.
that's why I don't like that short game. Come on, baby.
Now it's gonna hold and just push right through all those.
So is this when I should fade you for the first time ever? Go long
Boy,
just
I
to be
mean,
like, hey, there you
clearly,
go. That'll
clearly.
work. Son of a bitch.
All right. See, that's why I don't do that, guys.
Yeah, shoot. The risk to
I really
reward was
thought that
that, huh?
pullback was inevitable, and maybe it was these 61s. Maybe I should have waited.
Yeah.
It's just hard for me to believe on the 5 minute it can get through VWAP, the 200, the 14, and the 21.
Just blasting, right?
Yeah.
We're almost back up to our midpoint on the opening 15.
Yeah, I mean, beautiful V recovery, made our W, made our nice inversion.
Yep. VIX is crushing down again. This would be a chance for Nvidia to curl down though. The start of this 5 minute.
Yeah, agree.
All right, man. I might take your short idea again, but my stop now is obviously quite. I'm about to fucking get hit already. Man, I was thinking because it's such an easy tight little stop right there. Nope, wrong again.
I'm really surprised it just keeps pushing, but I mean, here we are with no pullback at all. So.
Right. Man, yeah, these accounts are about to be cooked. That sucks. Man, yeah, Nvidia's pushing. Now it seems like she's bound and determined. Maybe if we can get a little retracement, back down to like the 340s again or something. Maybe we need some music today. Maybe that's the whole issue of this whole thing. Where the heck is my pretzel music? Core audio, pretzel music, pretzel music. So this should also have pretzel music. Core audio. Huh, I don't know how to do this. Sorry, guys. I know this is taking me a sec.
Beautiful bounce off the 255s for 160 points, 150 points right now.
Yeah, man. Huge, huge bounce. Damn it. How do I do this, though? Hey, there we go. Now we got our pretzel music in here. Alright, guys. Let me know if this music is too quiet, too loud, or too boring. Now we'll be able to trade successfully. Alright, man. I gotta do something kind of big here. What are we at? So we came up to the 400s. ES is absolutely rocket shipping. Q's rocket shipping. Nvidia curling up nicely. And VIX is sinking. So this might just be a go up, 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 up type day. Thank you, Charles. We appreciate you, bud. Does your good luck mean that you are heading out? Are you done for the day, sir?
Kind of in no man's land right now, I think. I mean,
I know, man. I would love a curl down to like the 360s so I could go long there.
yeah.
I kind of do think longs are the way. I mean, we've just had such a massive push on everything, though, over the last
clearly.
10 minutes that, you know, some type of a curl down, you know, would be expected.
Right.
But how much of a curl down? We didn't make a session high. ES did make a session high, though.
The new 15 starting. Yeah, I mean, maybe we get that push down into the 360, 365s.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for.
Then we can have a nice push back up. I like that idea on a 15-minute. I mean, same on the 1 hour. The 1 hour is kind of maybe a wick through the 370s.
Yeah.
The 1 hour could possibly go down to the 350s, but I'd
Yeah,
like to see that.
thing, 355, 364.
Yeah.
This is what we're looking at, gang. So we're looking at these bodies, right? So 355, you know, bottom of this body, or like 364, top of this body, kind of the bottom of that one. 370s, you're right, right at the top of this.
Bull flag, but.
Uh-oh, yeah, there's a bull flag playing out a little bit. Nvidia's falling back down. Man, finicky day.
And you know, I always like to see Nvidia play out just like you just called it out, because I mean, this could be a little trap just to get us in right above here. Everybody's expecting it to pop through the 420s. So if it can get everybody in here right here, and then we have a big drop.
Yep.
But I mean, Nvidia is trying to get back in the box, but I mean, it's got a lot of work to do with all the EMAs above it. And see, there's my candle. That's the one I like, but it's not moving very fast.
I'll try 2 for a 420. I just need to get something moving here. Something moving.
I mean, that 85 showing support there.
I kind of forgot I was in a trade.
That music
Oh.
is good.
Yeah.
It is
It's
trying
gonna
to curl
come.
back to the downside, but
Yeah, I kind of feel like it's
I
coming.
like that we had this big pump and we're sitting here. We're trying to build support, but
Right. But yeah, not feeling the greatest about it now. This could definitely be a little trappy to trap. Nvidia's still kind of curling down. Alright, gonna get out of one. Move the stop up to break even on the other one. We'll see if it pops right now, otherwise it'll probably just come back down, stop me out. All right, come on, gang, come on. Oh, you want to trade right now too, you sneaky devil?
well, I joined you a second ago, and then you said, "Okay, I'm getting out."
Oh shit!
I was like, "Oh
No, don't do it to me, Greg. Don't do it to me. Well, shoot, man. Now I feel like I gotta jump back in.
I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to get that pop, but this was my setup right here, so kind of a small loss maybe if it doesn't hit, but
Yeah. I mean, he's holding a lot of support at the 9.
yeah, I mean, there's the push down we kind of didn't want, kind of closed above there.
Man, I want to see what Nvidia does. There you go. You're popping up a little bit.
Come on. There you go.
Nice,
Giddy up.
dude.
One more? Do we got one more in us? Let's just
Very
take that off
nice.
and see how far it goes.
Shoo! Hell yeah, dude.
And we're out.
Beautiful trade.
Hey, look at that. $1,235.
Shoo! Beautiful
We did the
trade,
same thing
man.
Greg did. We just held it.
Beautiful trade. Oh, all right. Oh. You know,
We held it, Greg.
we held it. Damn it. You gotta hold it. I know. I made like $13. God damn.
Well, and it kind of tricked me a little bit. I mean, if you look at our previous candle, I mean,
Yeah.
we had that green one. I went in on this candle, and it kind of faded us a little, but I knew my stop had to be below, 79, 80-ish.
Yep.
So we're still risking 20 points. So, I mean, wooden contract, that wouldn't be too bad, but I had 3 on, so I was
Yeah.
risking 600.
Yeah.
So risking 600, we had to make 1,200.
Hell yeah, buddy.
That's the only way it makes sense.
Hell yeah. Alright, so now targets being, now that we took out the yesterday's high, 428, I mean, looking at the 1 hour, probably like 472 seems pretty reasonable. Then maybe getting up to the 513s after that. Yeehaw, driving obsession gave a little yeehaw there, bud.
Heck yeah.
Shee.
Giddy up. Let's go. The only thing I'm looking at right now is yesterday. We just kind of pushed above the highs yesterday, that 428 area on the 1 hour. And then look at what our 1 minute's doing. Our 1 minute kind of had our little cross right here.
Yeah.
And so in my mind, that tells me this may be a little rejection point to come back down. So I want to make sure in my mind that we're going to keep pushing. I mean, now our stop would have to be below 380. So now
That's
we're
a big
60 at a
stop.
60 point stop.
That's a perfect
So-
Greg trade.
So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, is this a good short opportunity to get, come back at least down to the 412s? But um, I'm not a short guy. This is just what I see playing out in my mind because
Right.
all the bulls are trying to step in. Are we going to get that little pullback now?
Well, VIX is crushing still.
I mean, 420s, but I think we still get a yank down to 415, 412.
Yep. 418, 417 is the 9 EMA.
Okay. I like when that ties in with what I'm thinking.
I know it, man.
I mean, we really don't have a bull flag, kind of, sorta. That's not a very good one, but
Here's a new 5-minute right here.
see, it
Man.
kind of bothers me on the 5-minute when it pushes back up
Yeah.
because there's no wicks at the bottom, so and it wants to be a bull flag, but I don't trust it.
It's an ugly
I think
one.
a better play this high up would be.
Yeah. You could take a
I don't
short
know.
right here and it'd just be a couple point. Let's see. We'll try one right here. Take the short, put the stop at 456.
See, it tried to get us back in that long. It's trying to hold it there. It came down and kind of retested. There you go. Getting some of it locked in, huh?
Let's see. But it's really got to break 35 now.
Yeah, if it can push through that 35, I don't want it to slingshot back up through there, but
Right.
yeah, that's the perfect call right there. So there's the push. Can we get a little more?
Stop filled.
There you go. Okay, so now you want to see the reverse, right? You want to see it wick up about half this candle, and then you want to see it drop back down.
Yeah.
Same way we're looking at the other side, but so
But it's
there's
hard
the
to look at
half
it
right
upside down.
Yeah, turn that monitor over. So perfect. It's trying to push. Man, if it could break that, I think we could easily wick down to the 420s.
Yeah.
But
Come on, you finicky thing.
yeah, I like that move right there. I like that.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on.
Now go get 420 for us.
There's 420. I'm hoping for the 412s, though. I guess we'll just keep trailing this.
I mean, I think so. I mean, that's what I would like to have.
There we go.
There you go. Look at that. Look
There
at that.
it is. Good. Boom.
Greg in the house.
Yay! We got one. Woo!
Look at that.
Unfortunately, it doesn't really, it doesn't move the needle too much, but we did.
Doing this live, guys. Doing this live. Come on.
Tell the pickup tools today.
Yeah, thanks, Mark. That was a great short Greg put on.
Yeah, thanks, Marco.
Don't get out yet, though, Greg.
Oh shit, man! I already am out, right, motherfucker? Yeah, I'm not even looking. I'm looking at my
Hey,
phone for a sec.
that's what my longs do all the time.
Yep, yep. Well, you did a great job on your last one, man. You had 3. You took 2 of them off in the perfect spot, then took off the third target, and then just rode the stop perfectly. You know.
Yeah, I mean, I'd have gave up probably 20 points on that if I hadn't have got rid of that TP.
So guess what, gang? You're getting me all day today. We're not doing no work today. We're gonna blow up accounts, and that's it.
Let me go get some more.
We're sitting here until we blow everything up. Son of a bitch. All right, Mark. I was sitting here telling myself all the reasons why I should take a long, when I should have been talking myself into taking the short. Listen, man, I tell myself all the reasons when I wake up that I probably shouldn't trade anymore. You know, it's all. I mean, not really.
That's how it
man.
gets pumped up, motivated for the day, guys.
Dude, I did such a great job all the way up into that wedding. And then that wedding, I've just friggin' been lawn darting ever since that wedding. I've not been able to get back into my groove here. Which, insanely enough, I found days like that, if I switch, I'll completely switch out of evals, everything, and just switch over to just the demo account, right? And I'll just mess around in the demo account for like 2 days, putting on like, 100 mini contract trades and stuff like that, just mucking around. But I found that usually kind of gets me back in there. Alright, so it looks like we're forming a little bit of a bear flag here. VIX is going up. NVIDIA lost its, newest support, so made a new session low. Qs, ES, everybody's below their 9s. And targeting their VWAPs, it looks like. What are we thinking on these shorts? Trading Cowboys all in long. What's that?
So I'm going to call the shorts out and y'all are all going to try them.
Right.
I mean, I love the short right here. Look back on the 5-minute though. We're staying above our 21 and 14.
Yeah.
Bounce right off of them. So.
And Mr. Patrick always says, don't try to short into VWAP, and that's what we'd be trying to do right now.
Yeah, I mean, you draw you a little line. I mean, you have that setup coming, but I don't know. I mean, here's my candle here, but that 21's right there, so I don't know how much we could actually get out of it. So.
Right.
Maybe if we can't, well, I don't know. I don't want it to come down really, so that 373 has to hold. That's kind of that's our 14. I think that's our 14. Yeah.
Come on, baby. Let's do it. Hi, Jetty. What you doing down there on the floor? You're supposed to be up here with me. You're too far away. Come here. Come on up. All right.
See, one thing I hate about Apple, I was on another screen. I was on my trading view screen clicking around.
Yeah.
And I like the way that candle pulled down into this 68, so I tried to buy one. Well, when you click it and you're not on that screen, it doesn't put you in that order. And I'm like, no, and now it's too late.
Frustrating, man. Yeah, insanely enough, I ended up going
right there. So that was kind of a deal. I was going to get in at 68, have my stop below 55.
Oh shit.
Would have played out perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, 40 points right there. Shoot, man.
Yeah.
Still
A lot of
pumping.
resistance here. I don't know if it'll push through this or not. I kind of see this as maybe this will stop out.
Yeah.
It's going to keep going. And then this candle may wick above it a little. I think we'll have our same little cross. And then maybe we get that drop back down now.
I mean, it almost looks like an ugly head and shoulders, right? Or it's
Yeah.
like it's a middle finger right now. It's a middle finger to us.
Yeah.
There's your eval.
I mean, I'd love this 21 to hold and it just rock it, but I don't see that strength in it. I mean, Nvidia's pushing right back up.
And interestingly enough, it basically hit, I mean, 416, but again, those 20s and 80s. Very interesting.
Yeah. It's like we just slowed down all of a sudden.
Man, VIX is all over the place. It almost just gapped down.
Yeah. I mean, if you look at it, I mean, maybe we're building a little bull flag right here, but
Yeah, Nvidia's pushing right now, too. What time is it? Oh, it's 10:20. We're 20 seconds into the new 5-minute candle. Maybe if it pushes
I like that.
416.
Yeah, I mean, I like the long right here. I wish I'd have snagged it down there at the bottom, but I
Yeah.
wanted it to push through. The better play is to grab it at 15 on its way up, but this is kind of what it was doing a while ago before we had that drop too, so there's the push. I'm gonna try one right there. Just see if we can get a push through these highs. Stop will be 93s.
Order fill.
It's just gonna wick it right out, isn't it? Come on.
Come on, baby. Let's push it up. Let's get the push. Let's get the push.
There's probably the candle we should have waited on. We had our green one. This one's going to pull back halfway.
Stop filled.
Nice. Well, with that push, I actually just added 2 more. That wasn't really like, you know, it was an add in, not a stop.
It's got to go now, though. We're kind of running out of speed.
Running out of
We're
little
above
juice.
the box. I mean, ES is pushing back to the highs.
Yep.
Nvidia's green.
Yep.
We should get a little pop right here. I'm going to have to take it off sooner than expected, though, but I'm going to have
There
to
we
close
go.
it right there.
Not
Y'all stay in
bad.
it for a minute. Y'all stay in it.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
As I got out.
I
But
just had to take it off for that consistency rule, so
Oh, right. Because you're trying to do the 50%. But yeah, now that's doing what we're doing. It's going to pop, huh?
yeah. Yeah, I mean,
Well,
I think we get that nice little pop now. I
we're
mean, this could
basically-
be, that 28 could be a bad area, but
Yeah, I was going to say, we're basically at that 428 shoulder right now.
and that should have been the first target to take one off is that 28 area. So, oh, look at that. Glad y'all followed me.
Glad y'all followed me. Follow for more trading tips and advice. Man, crazy
Yeah.
wick down to kiss the 400s here.
You know, and I think that was kind of maybe just to stop out some of some of the bulls there to get a nice push back up, maybe. So
Yeah, so she can keep pumping.
because it went right down there real fast and held, but
Yep. All right.
Order filled.
I'll try. I'll try, little guy. Damn it, man. Oh no. Oh no. We don't have any stops in. We don't got no stops. We got no brakes on this train. We got no brakes on this one. Shoot, man. Yeah, that happened quick.
I mean, that's a good support area there if it'll hold.
Yeah.
Order filled.
What time is it? 10:25. Oh, here's our 5-minute candle right here. Uh-oh. A little volatility.
Here we go. Come on, get Greg out of this trade. Let's go.
Right? Gonna start trailing kind of this runner. I know it always tags it the real weird direction, but do you ever do that? If you do an add-on, do you take the add-on off early as long as it's within profit, or do you wait until they're both within profit?
Yeah, so if I'm not really sure about a trade, I'll take it off right at that entry or a little above it,
Yeah.
and then that way I have my lower set up. So
Yeah.
I do that a whole lot.
Dry Bones goes, bulk, bro, pull the Greg. 100%, man. 100%. Picture perfect. Picture perfect, Greg.
Is that our new lingo in there?
Our Greganisms. We're going to start pulling out some Greganisms. Louise, what's up, big dog? How we doing today? How we doing today? Let's see if we get a strong push back up to the 410s with my two little runners here.
I mean, that was a nice little setup right there. That almost would have been one of my takes, but
Yeah.
that 21's pretty close. So here we go. You're getting a good push. Come on, keep going.
Come on.
There we go.
Come on. Here's the 4s. Can we hit the 410s? Can we hit the
Come on, let's
410s?
go.
Come
Giddy
on.
up. Giddy up.
Ah! We took it early. I took it early. 407. All right, gang. There you go.
Look at that, guys.
Look at that. We pulled the Greg. I love that that could be a negative and positive connotation at the same time.
Oh, shoot.
What the hell's that guy doing back there? He's just pulling a Greg. Just the usual Tuesday. Like, just a gaggle of Gregs being Gregs. Bravo!
I mean, we did put in a lower or a higher low right there, so that's nice to see.
Yep.
Now we just need to put in a higher high.
But I hate when we're at this point, right? Because we're right in the middle now. So now it makes me all, ugh, what do I do?
Yeah, I mean, now we got to kind of sit back and see
Wait till Trading Cowboy tells us to pull the trigger.
This candle's still good, right here, but was at the top. I think we get a push. Hopefully we get a push back into the 430s.
Mm-hmm. But look, I mean, you drew that line 10 minutes ago now, and it's still holding true.
Yeah. Sometimes that don't make sense, does it? But
right? Which is a good reminder for everybody in the chat as well. If you see, Trading Cowboy especially, or myself, drawing lines on the chart, just don't just utilize our lines. Go ahead and draw that line yourself on your own chart as well.
Yeah,
so that you can start,
sure.
getting some good habits in there. So I really
when I
like
first
that
started,
candle there, and I like how the 9 crisscrossed over the 21.
yeah, yeah, for sure.
I think we are gonna get a nice little push.
Our 14 and 21's kind of gapping apart now a little bit. So yeah.
Ugh. Oh my god.
And my blue line's keeping the market up right now. So, but I did, guys. When I first started drawing lines and trying to figure out everything, I mean, I would find somebody and pause their chart and then go and draw that line just like they did, just to
Yep.
kind of figure out what they were doing, how they were doing it.
Hell yeah.
And I cannot get logged into Lucid. I don't know if they're having problems or I can't even get their homepage to pull up.
Ooh, a little dancing there. Little
Yeah, that was a
dancing.
nice wick down, super fast.
Super fast. 386. What time is it? Oh, that was our 10:30 candle. That's why. I mean, shoot, she's still looking real strong.
Yeah, that was a nice pump. Now your stop could be under 400. But see how this one closes, maybe.
I know, because honestly, on everybody's kind of at the same like little barcodey. Excuse you. Barcodey chop range right now. I mean, Q's is looking like a pretty nice, well, still a barcodey bull flag. ES is pulling up. VIX is still kind of down. And then same thing, Nvidia is just just an ugly looking pancake. Man,
Now
here
we're
we
gonna
go
go
back
back
up to
to
447. Just ripping. ES just made a new session high. VIX plummeting again. But we're right at that shelf too, you know? Like, look at all these buyers right here. 436. Whole just fat sack of buyers. If we fall off this, you'd think we'd come back down to 400 pretty quick. It's kind of an empty pocket.
Yeah,
almost.
for sure. I mean, I'd like to see just a teeny tiny pullback like it's doing now and then a good push up over, but we don't want this to trap us again and make a lower high right here and this be a double top.
Mm-hmm. No man's land. Gotta love it. Oh, man. I'm tired today. Well, gang, it's 10:30. We want something fun to happen. Yeah, she's like 435. It's pretty good resistance. Ugh. Maybe we get a little curl down here to the 400s and then we can enter.
Yeah, kind of right back to the 21, maybe a
In our next trade, we're going to enter 10 minis.
oh no.
Could you imagine? It goes down just literally 2 ticks and you blow the account. It's just a little breath. Oh, shit. Man, here's a
I
sad
mean, that
one.
is a rush. You know, with those Apex accounts, you can do 10 on a 50K. You can do 10 minis, and you can target 15 points. And in in 2 seconds you can fail, or 3 seconds you can pass.
I know it, dude. And I've never done it. I need to do that one of these days. One of these days, I just have to be like, all right, here we go. Because honestly, if you bought 5 of them, like, what are the chances you're gonna blow up 5? Probably pretty
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Probably You just have to have one of your 5 trades be good with 0 drawdown. That's
Yeah,
it.
yep. And you gotta target your, even if you go in with 5, you got to target 30 points, but you have to trail that thing just so you don't lose your drawdown.
Right.
So
Well, here we come back down to the 410s. See if we can get Mr. Trading Cowboy set up here. Switch over to his screen so he doesn't take a trade without us. No, are you even still on these accounts, or you're probably just trading your fundeds now or something, huh?
yeah, I got a couple of them pulled up here. Man, I was trying to get, like I said, I don't know if Lucid, I guess they're having problems because I can't even get them to pull up. But
That's crazy.
I was trying to see if I could get one of that eval I passed, see if it was. I went a little bit over. I think we went 1,600, and I should have been at 1,500. So
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it'll let me go ahead and call it good and let me upgrade it, or if I need to lose $100 on it, which is crazy, right? But
Well, honestly, the crazy thing to me is, I've been told, because I haven't had to do it myself yet, is losing money, supposedly. Losing money on purpose, supposedly, is the hardest thing to do. Like, every time you try to lose $100, you end up making 1,000.
Oh,
Which
yeah.
is the dumbest thing in the world, you know? You're like, all right, I don't care about this trade. I just want to lose money, so I'm just going to take the wrong direction that I think it's going to go. And then, whoop, surprise, surprise. So we actually did come down, tap the 394s now. Let's see if we can't get a green candle in here somewhere. Our average range is still...
we're looking for that green candle, or then otherwise we're looking for a push back into the... Oh, goodness, we're looking to push back into the 320s, 330s.
Man, we really haven't broken out of our 5-minute range. Actually, no, I switched this out to the 15, didn't I? Is this the 15 now?
Yeah, we're kind of right at the top of the 15-minute. So.
Yep. Yeah, so we did have one candle above it, and that's, there's the opening range breakout. Everybody jumped in on this one and then just got annihilated.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
100-point drop to the face. Glad that we got to see some new names in here. Louise, Dry Bones. We really appreciate you guys hopping in if you're still here. Thank you.
Yeah.
21 is below the 9.
I'm going to try right there, stop below 390. It's going to stop me out as soon as I get it set. But, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Stop filled.
Yep.
Look good for just a second.
For a set. I mean, it's still not bad, though. It's one of those things
No.
As long as it doesn't break 374, I can still see this being the right move. I've got bad news for you guys. Look at all the wicks on the 15-minute chart. Oh, God, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, 100%. This is blow up the account, style stuff. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, Mark. There's a lot of uncertainty. Man, look at that. There's my entry. We're above my entry. Got
Yeah.
stopped out right in the perfect spot. Greg, just tell yourself, don't blow up the account. Son of a bitch. Oh, I know it, man.
It sounds easy.
I know. Though, honestly, that's almost like the opposite mentality that I feel like I need to have half the time. Like, there's like, and I've said it a couple different random times, but I feel like there's two ways to trade, right? There's a way to, you trade to make money, or you'll trade to not lose money. And I think too often I trade to not lose money, which is why the second I'm in profit or something like that, I'll start putting my stops in really quick, and I'll just take that profit away too quick, because I'm kind of trading to not lose money. And I should be trading to make money, because too often you'll end up holding those trades too long anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mark, I've lost so many accounts in shop like this. I agree, bud. Shme too. 1040. Though the only thing I will say is at least like we're getting... Nah, I can't even say that. I mean, it literally is just chop. This is all just chop. And we're just forming a wedge, you know. Whoops.
Yeah.
You're not going to work? Yeah, I mean, kind of something like that. Just a big old fat wedge.
Yeah, which means, I mean, we're getting really tight, so as soon as we get a little tighter in that wedge, something's definitely going to happen.
Yeah. Hey, DJ Syrup. That's fucking awesome, man. I hope I said that right. I probably didn't say that right. DJ Syrup. DJ SE Rip.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's pretty cool. But saw you on the BDH. Love your vibes. Keep it up, man. I love your vibes, man. I love you, DJ. Thank you so much, sir. I mean, we're trying, you know. We're out here trying. We're out here trying.
Yeah.
We'll see what the heck happens. But if I got to be honest, pay attention to this cowboy hat guy.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, he says.
We're just here learning together.
He passed like 37 evals last week. He's passed about 37 of them this week. You guys doing good.
Man, there's just nothing to do right now, honestly. I mean, we're just kind of sitting here. I mean, kind of like Mark said, I mean, you look at the 15-minute, you're just scared to death.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah. I know. I just got to keep I'm keeping the 15-minute up on my screen just to remind myself, like, hey, don't be an idiot. Son of a bitch. Oh, God. So let's look over here. Nope. Let's not look over there. Let's look over here instead. So this is our 15. Otherwise, everything else is a 5-minute. But yeah, man, everything is just so barcodey, 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 barcodey. Do we have any... We don't have any big news tomorrow, do we? Or do we have any big news this week? I don't think so. What's today, the 10th? So tomorrow we have unemployment. Yeah, 8:30 we have unemployment. So maybe we're waiting for that, but... Oh, and then Thursday, initial jobless claims. And then CPI on Friday. NFP is tomorrow for some reason. Huh.
Okay.
Well, because the government shutdown too screwed up, I think, a lot of those reports. Though, like we've talked about a million times, those reports are so manipulated. Yeah, man, just stuck. We got to either break 410 or we need to break 386. But even then, even if we break them, it's not necessarily like you're guaranteed one direction or the other. It's just like that's the next stepping stone, you know?
Right, yeah. I mean, we're trying to build out kind of a long-term bear flag kind of on a 1 minute, but...
Yep. My next trade, 25. We need a stronger reaction away from 400s either way. Yeah, 100%, man, 100%.
Yeah.
And even this, you know, this might just be a little bit of a teaser for the bulls. We got to see. It's looking a little better now. 412. But unfortunately, same thing. I mean, so now, if you're in it, target would be 427. Stop would have to be like 380.
Instant
Ugly wick.
rejection, kind of the same thing we had at 930, 928. That was the exact same level.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of thought we'd see that 420 area again, but I kind of think the money makers may be changing those 20s and 80s to like 10s and 15s, and
Because they heard it. They
Yeah.
heard Carmen.
Yep.
Or Ocala.
Yep.
Sorry, they heard Ocala. They're like,
Yeah.
nope. We got to change that shit. I wonder if there's any
so let's
validity
see if
to
this
that,
was
though.
a little pump to get the bulls in to come back down,
Yeah.
or see if this is making a little cup and handle maybe.
We even just look at the 9 and the 21 here. The 9 is the green one, 21 is red. Just hug and kiss and hug and kiss and hug and kiss and hug and kiss.
And then it finally broke below, didn't it? Yeah. I mean, now if this 410 will hold, that's above our box. That's actually our box. NVIDIA is above the 14, the 21, trying to push above VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
VIX is coming back down to the bottom of its opening range box.
Oh, and yeah, NVIDIA popped pretty nice now, actually. NVIDIA kind of popped out of
ES.
its range.
You know, ES had the nice green candle. Now it's retraced about half on a 5 minute. So, you know, we're seeing the right setup for a long, but
I'm considering it. Yeah, I'm going to try it. We're going to give her a try. There we go. Starting to push a little.
yeah, good pop.
Which, yeah, I'm a little bit slow here with my clicks. There's the 420. We all love 420. Come on. There we go. See if we can't get this 430 push real quick.
Yeah, a nice move. Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. We need to be able to afford food this week.
Please, guys, like and subscribe.
Shoo, right? Get us on that dollar menu. Actually, insanely enough, we're doing I guess I'll bring this to the bottom of this. I don't know.
Yeah, kind of the bottom of the target. That bottom wick would be a stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which where you exited perfect while ago, but there's a good push.
Wicked.
Stop.
Still.
But now, yeah, I mean that was the perfect setup for your runner, I think. So
Nice. We did something, guys. We did something.
yeah, good job. Heck yeah.
Man,
Killing
you
it
know what
today.
we haven't done in forever? It's been so long I even forgot how to do it. Let's see. They're not even out. This is my goat fence, gang. For anybody that hasn't seen this. Usually I got my 2 goats right here. Oh, there they are. I see the sneaky devils. There's Betsy. Finally, not all of our ducks, but our ducks are finally starting to lay eggs again. So we got 3 eggs this morning. Look at that, gang. Man, so yeah, look at that reaction down. We came up to the 430s basically, just to come back down to the 387s. So the chop is real.
But if we draw off this high, yeah, see there? So if we mark that high and that high,
yep,
that's exactly where we tested and rejected again. So
I like that.
And
yeah,
you
that's
had your
crazy.
runner right below that, so that was a perfect setup.
Yeah. Wow, so now same thing. I mean, we're kind of draw your bottom line too. Draw your bottom line right there. You'll see that giant wedge.
So we almost could go. We could go from right here. Come on.
Yeah, little wedge salad.
And that's kind of the exact same thing because it almost touches that. If you come back over here and draw it off of this low where it bounced and come to it,
yeah,
same thing.
Yeah.
And then we just below it right here. We're retesting it, so.
So yeah, if we get a full candle closure below, but I almost think like now would be a good long opportunity again, right?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, this may be a little early to enter.
Yeah, because there's no confirmation yet.
You'd have a better position, but we're starting to stair step down. So there's the green candle we're looking for. But yeah, you could have been in right here at the 92s, 93s. The 21's right there too, though, so want to see what happens there. I like it on a 5. It held the 21 again, back above the 14.
Man, yeah, Nvidia's still pushing pretty strong. VIX is going up, though. Here's my issue. The green candles are all overlapping, but these moves down have big red candles that don't overlap. Yeah, Mark. Agreed, man. And look at this. I'm glad we didn't jump into that long.
Yeah, I mean, that's why we got to wait for that green confirmation, and then we have to make sure that 21's not in our way. So
yeah,
we want that 21 to be close, but not too close all the time. But I like the way the short's setting up. But.
Yeah, no, the fact that we poked below that 1037 candle.
Yeah, and I mean, that was the perfect setup, right? If this was reversed and this was our green candle, there's our big down.
Right.
Retraced half. But then we have my little pretend VWAP right there, so I don't know. 359 is the actual VWAP, so.
Yep.
Nice bounce right off of it.
Well, here we go. We got 7 seconds left. Coming back up to the 21. Coming down halfway. And boom, there's our setup. Whoops. I just put buy instead of... there we go. So target maybe like a 416.
Yeah, that 414 area, kind of the top of that shoulder there. We got to wick through that 21, so we may not get... I mean, even if we get 400 out of it, that's almost 15 points.
Yep.
So...
15 seconds left of this candle.
Good for a second. Mark's probably over there screaming at us to be short.
I mean, I don't know, man. This long makes a lot of sense to me. I think I'm going to add a little bit more to it, too. Come on. What time is it now? Oh, here's our 5-minute candle right here. Brand new 5-minute.
It tried to push up right there at the last second, so.
Come on.
Little small
come
hammer
on.
candle.
Come on. Man, if we could just break this, if we could just break the 395s.
Yeah, and they're trying to hold it. This may be a good runner if it does pop, but.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Alright. I took just one off at 2 points.
Good.
Oh, no, I got 5. I took one off at 5 points. 10 seconds left of this candle. Come on, you stinking thing. Don't you dare. Don't you break 370. Oh, really?
Wow.
Come on. Wow.
Order filled.
Well, the only thing that was good news is I put too many stops. So when it dropped like a rock, it snagged one of my stops, and we made 40 bucks.
Heck yeah.
Oh, now Marco coming in telling us he hit this short, you son of a gun.
I told you.
Right?
I told you he was yelling at us to go
Right?
short.
And he waits until full 100-point price target is hit, and then he lets us know. Thanks,
Yeah.
Mark. Thought we were friends, man. Man, that's too funny though that I got 10 points off the the additional ad.
So you may be onto something right there.
Right? Yeah, could you imagine just every time you put in your stop, just double it
Yeah.
and just see what the heck happens? The only thing that's the problem with me though is I'm perfect at getting stopped out like 2 or 3 points right before it rips back in the opposite direction. So then I would like just double down the loss so quick.
Oh.
So Mark got into the 1051 candle. 1051. Nice, man. Yeah, I mean that's literally what Trading Cowboy was saying. He's like, man, if this was this is going the opposite direction, this would have been our perfect long setup. So yeah, I guess we should have listened to her. Yeah, look at this. So I wrote these down, and then here's my add-on. That's funny. My accidental. That's a pretty good push. 1058. So same thing. We want it to come down to like 368 or something, huh?
Yeah, killer push. Okay, I'm back with y'all. Had to take a little long ski on one of my fundeds on that bottom right there. So
Did you?
yeah, we lost pretty big while ago when I went with those. We're back up now though.
Good. Oh God. Nvidia has a beautiful candle. I mean, everybody has that huge wick down now, so it seems like this would be kind of the pump potentially. Marco's thinking 500s, man. I'm getting actually really bullish right now, too, if I'm being honest. As I friggin' jump into a losing trade here. I also should have the stops here, though, huh? Probably. Yeah.
Stop field.
Not really getting that hourly push up. Kind of got a little pullback on the hourly, so.
I was watching D Money this morning open. He kept switching sides, saying if it was long or if it was short, he can do it. I can do it. Right?
Heck yeah.
Dude, the thing that blew my mind was when Patrick showed D Money's email that he sent to Ginger to get on the
Yeah.
show and everything, and they asked him what his payouts were, and he'd made $10,000 in payouts trading futures, and that's it. That's
Wow.
it. And now the dude has a G-Wagon and friggin' Ferrari's on the
Yeah.
way and everything else. Like, dang, that's bananas.
Yeah. Wow. That is crazy.
Oh, good. So this is almost setting up for that. This is the perfect. This is your play again, but in reverse, huh? There's our, green,
for
green.
sure.
Then we have the red. This is the halfway retracement. So this should be a short right now instead of a long almost, which is not good. Yeah, I'll take that ad off. But that is why you don't listen to live streamers. I think he made 65K in Forex. Yeah, you're right, man. He did. Or it was even like 85K. Like 85 in Forex and then 10 in futures. So yeah, I'm definitely not disparaging the guy or anything else. He definitely knows how to trade. And there was a lot of things he taught me too, talking about the 1 hour and the wicks and things like that. So he definitely
Yeah, he has a good read on a lot of that stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, he definitely has a good read. PW helped Marco get profitable. Nice, man.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it was funny because I was on his show and everything, right? He was, he taught me basically everything I know up to that point. But then the hard thing is really when I started, because I had just started following when I started this whole journey as a whole, right? So it was only maybe 6 or 7 or 8 months ago now or something like that. He's transitioned a lot since I even started following him, where he just started really getting into the YOLOing, like especially right after I was on the show and stuff like that,
Yeah.
where he was put on some huge sizes. So it was either blowing up the account or making like 30 or 40 grand per trade. And I was like, man, I cannot follow these
Yeah.
trades. These are volatile trades.
Yeah. Yeah, I think his course is pretty good. I mean, I kind of rushed through it on a weekend one time, and I mean, he has a lot of good info in there. I mean,
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was when I went to the that whole experience at the BDH. He gave me his course that Monday. So literally, I mean, I talked about it, often on there, but I would leave the BDH, go back to my like hotel room, and literally pop his course open, and I would like rewatch the live stream on fast forward for like an hour and a half, and then I would do his course for like 2 or 3 hours, and yeah, man, I was trying to jam as much into my system as I could.
yeah.
So Nvidia is still curling, man. This is the longest trade of my life. Just still in that choppity chop, no man.
Yeah, and DJ says everyone will have their own opinion of the market. That's for sure, right? And then DJ, when you go live, you got to say, man, I think it's going to go up, but
Yeah, yeah,
it could go
100%.
down.
You know, and then
And that's
take
why
the
this isn't financial advice, right? We're
Right.
just showing y'all what we do, prove to y'all that we're strictly outlaws.
Yep. Yeah, man, the whole live thing changes it a lot. It made me a much, 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 much better trader when I started trading live. Though, in all, admittedly, like I said, though, the last 4 days now, I've had like the yips, man. Last 4 days, I've been doing terrible. But I don't know. Volatility, I guess, kicked in a little bit. We've been barcoding a little bit more. Actually, I think it's just that I got too impatient. I got really impatient, so I started sizing up like crazy.
which I know that's one of my big problems too, right? If I get down and I was playing with 2 contracts, I'm like, oh, well, I can get that back with 4 contracts real fast.
Right, right. I know, man. Or then the other issue too is, just like Marco's saying, you have to size down and focus on your system. The other thing you have to keep in mind too is when you start sizing up, things are a little bit different. Like there's different
Yeah.
risk if you're still like if you take one micro, it's okay to hold it for 50 points or something like that. But if you're doing
Right.
5 micros then and trying to trade the same way that you were when you were trading just one, and you're trying to hold it for 50 points in the wrong direction,
Yeah.
then you can really screw things up quick.
Yep.
And that's what I kind of found, unfortunately, is with me doing the copy trading. While I was doing really well with it up until the stinking wedding, I got into too big of a habit now of just holding trades for like Monday, or was it Friday? I held a negative trade for like 130 points, and even with just one, that's then $260 that you just lost.
Right.
So yeah, it's always interesting.
I mean, not really going anywhere. I mean, we're kind of getting below our EMAs on a 5-minute.
Yeah, and they're starting to slowly separate too. So I'd almost presume that down is the better way than up, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, just nothing really.
Man, so what do we think about the SpaceX IPO though? That's going to be nuts. I'm pretty excited for that.
Oh, yeah.
That's going to be a crazy day. We might not even trade futures that day. We'll just trade SpaceX. Just do the
Heck yeah.
SpaceX swings.
Let's do it.
I started buying some of the pre-IPO stuff. Hold on, let's see what this candle
yeah?
is. Like there's two what are they called? So XOVR and RONB. XOVR, RONB are both companies that have like okay stakes in SpaceX. They're the largest stakes I
Yeah.
can find in SpaceX. But one only has $20 million worth, and then the other one has like 110 million worth. But the one that has the 110, it's only like 4% of its portfolio. So even if SpaceX has a huge pop, you holding that stock, you might only realize maybe a 5% gain or something. But the one that
Yeah.
has 20 million, I think is like a 40% stake or something. So that
Oh,
big
yeah,
pop
so
should be a
it's
big
more-
pop.
Yeah.
All right, man. Should I get out of this short or what? Are we popping back up? Or we pop back down?
I mean, we kind of made a little stair right here. I don't know. Maybe if we can get back above this 367,
Mm-hmm.
that's kind of our resistance right now. Our VWAP on the 5 is at 360, so it held that.
Got 20 seconds left of this candle. There we go. This is a nice green candle. Oh, we're not going. You fucking guy. I know.
You're not going?
I know.
Oh, no, just made you lunch.
Did you? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, we can eat it together. What'd you make?
I was making you a salad and then
Oh,
about to make
Jesus
some-
Christ.
about to make some dressing for you. And
Ah, you're the best. Well, we can eat it together. We can do a picnic.
so what's going on today that he's not?
He says he's building the cabinets today, and then he'll be 100% caught up on like all of his projects, supposedly. I know. I kind of doubt it too. We'll see. I know it. I know it. So I guess that went too far down then for the system, huh? We had a nice green, but then this red
Yeah, I mean-
went well past the halfway point, went all the way down to it.
Yeah, it wicks right back up to that 21 and then rejected right off of it. So kind of an invalid setup. I mean,
Let's go to Disney then. If you're home today,
Yeah. Okay. Can we go to Hollywood Studios?
you're gonna Animal Kingdom.
Ooh. Check wait times. I don't know. See which one has better. I wouldn't mind doing like that Star Wars thing, you know.
I
That's-
just don't know how much Rory can go on there.
We'll just double check real quick. Nah, gang. Maybe you won't have me all day. I might go to Disney instead. What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, that would be fun. Let's do it. So we got kind of a double bottom, right? 350s.
yeah, I mean, it's looking real solid. I mean, right here, man, if we could get this candle to close right in here, have that pull down, I mean,
Man, I'm just
Red
being
may
silly
be
with it
back in
still.
again.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Yeah, they are, Mark. They're trying for me. But so far, boom, 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 boom. So, not a lot of hope, if I'm being
Pretty much
honest.
support.
But let's see. Just need a big old stinking push. Big old stinking push. And I'm looking for a short. Ah, Marco, you son of a bitch. Thank you for telling us, though. At least you're telling us. So here you go. Put your short at 347. That's where my stop is. So I'll give you my shares, Mark. You can have my shares at
Y'all
347.
can swap.
Right? We'll do a little swappity swap.
I mean, we're looking good. I mean, this is a setup we like. I wish it was a little faster. Our volume's really low,
Yeah.
but
I'm gonna
Highest wait time in Animal
try to-
Kingdom
I think we
is
need to get a
50
push back up
minutes.
to 400.
Oh, wow.
Wait time in Hollywood Studios is 70.
Oh.
75 is the highest.
I don't care. You can choose.
I said
What?
let's go to Animal Kingdom.
Okay.
What time are you gonna be done?
Give me like 15 minutes. Is that okay?
I got a shower anyways.
Alright.
They're playing Old Maid right now.
Are they really?
Set up here. Well, Old McDonald they're playing.
Yeah,
With farm stuff.
that's funny.
I gotta make reservations for us.
Do you want to, I know it's super impromptu, but see if your mom wants to go? Yeah, at least she'll appreciate the, Are you going on the Tower of Terror, Greg? Do they still have that?
Yeah, but that's a Hollywood.
Is it Hollywood? And we're not going to go to Hollywood now? Well, the kids couldn't go on it. I think we're going to Animal Kingdom instead, man. I know, I want to go to, I would love to go to Tower of Terror right now. Actually, our favorite thing when we first moved down here, not favorite thing, my God. So about 8 years ago when we moved down here, my wife and I had, just whatever, baby, it doesn't matter. So the story goes, 8 years ago, to 10 years ago, to 12 years ago when we moved down here, we got season passes right away. And at that time, Season Pass had a thing where you could do 3 fast passes every single day. So I would get out of work, and Jackie would get out of work around like 5, 6 o'clock. And we'd meet up at the Disney parking lot. We'd smoke a bunch of weed. And then we'd have a fast pass for like Tower of Terror, for example. So you'd go from your car to Tower of Terror within like maybe 20 minutes or something. So, man, wild experience, bud. And we would do, we would just do our 3 rides. We'd have a couple drinks, a couple appetizers. We'd be in and out in like an hour and a half. It was the best day ever. But unfortunately, they don't do fast passes anymore unless you spend $1 billion. Yeah, dude, it was honestly so much fun. You'd be at like the height of everything. You'd just be super high and just, you know? Oh, yeah. Those are the good days. All right, so now I kind of don't want it to break 366. He goes,
Yeah.
Mark goes, I mean, I don't smoke, but that sounds great. Well, listen, Mark, you're about to be here in a week, so if you want to smoke and go on Tower of Terror with me.
Okay, so we're gonna go
Greg's got the hookup.
We're gonna be here in about 30 minutes.
Why do you want to go to Target?
He wants to send his gift card. You need to still prove your
That
attitude.
Steven gave us for Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You're still working on
I didn't
proving
know you
your
had that.
attitude.
I did it.
Okay, so why don't you guys clean up your workspace over there, put the cards
Ah,
back in
you.
the box.
And then before we leave, you can go.
No.
That
I'm
you go
gonna-
pop.
Based on how you are at Disney today and your behavior. Well, we're either going there or Hollywood Studios. We can't really go on all the rides there. And the waits are a lot longer at Hollywood Studios right now. I just checked. The waits at
Well, that
Pandora. We gotta go to Pandora.
yeah, Pandora, and then all
Pandora.
it has all
Do his
the
ear medicine before we leave too. Avatar.
yeah. Pandora World is super sweet.
Ear death, like the
I'm still not going to smoke. You'll see. I'm pretty hype sober. Nice, man. Yeah, yo, you. I'm
Heck yeah,
joking,
Mark,
man.
me
You don't
too.
have to smoke.
Me too, Mark.
Man, what a crazy
Oh,
reaction down. What time is it? 11:15. What was that about, guys?
They have Africa. They have the
Yeah, I mean, a nice
safaris,
little
they
buy
have-
candle,
You
maybe.
know what?
We hope.
Taking up too much Everest.
Do you know how pissed I would have been
You might be able to go
if that had
to
just
Everest.
stopped me out?
Get change.
I mean, that was close, wasn't it? So you got your stop set at the perfect spot. See?
Yeah. I mean, literally, it's a big fucking stop. But yeah. Wow, dude. How crazy that would have been. Mark, were you in the short? You were looking for that short, bud. Were you in that? That's super quick, though, if you were. Ride Pandora with no hands. Man, we always do everything with no hands. Actually, I got my, my 7-year-old now rides with me, and so he gets all hyped up because he's, like, tall enough to ride most rides. So I keep, like, getting him to put his hands up, and then I'll give him a little tickle. Right?
That's awesome.
Yeah, dude, it's a lot of fun. All right, I'm moving these stops up because I think it's time to get out of this stinking trade. Been in it for too long. Though I guess since it made this move down,
Babe, it's a travesty. I don't have anything to wear.
you would think that babe, you have 357 different Mickey Mouse ears. There's no way you don't have anything to wear. You got a Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. You have Mickey Mouse leggings. Fuck you mean you don't have? This girl doesn't have anything to wear. We have like a Mickey Mouse retail shop in our closet right now. Actually, at our old house, we did have. She had a wall full of ears, Mickey Mouse ears. She literally had like 50 ears or something like that in the closet. We had 2 massive closets. Gonna start trailing one. Yay! We got our. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17-minute long trade, gang.
That's how you
17-minute
trade.
long trade.
Good time.
Good grief. Watch this thing just come all the way back down. Which sucks, too. My blue entry is like... I mean, I don't want to lose money on the trade, but it technically should be like a little lower underneath that 21. I mean, really, I should have it under here, but... What's the rest of the market doing? Everybody's going up. We're going to put it back down. We're going to let it ride. You talked me into it. Good job, guys. The long is still
Want to see
valid.
how
Thank
tricky
you,
they were
Mark.
for that big wick. They had that big wick to stop everybody out, and then
Yeah.
you knew it was going to put.
Yeah, man.
And that's what I always got used to before. It would have that wick. I'm thinking, oh no, we're going down.
Right.
And so then I just hurt, and then they just burned me right off the bat. So
Blast you, dude. Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's what this still might be. There still might be a shitload of people shorting right now. Then look at this. This just came down, hit our halfway point. Yeah, I almost shouldn't have got stopped out right there. Now I should add in. We're adding in. We're going in strong.
Try to wrap up quickly though, because we do need to be back in time to lock all the animals up.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good there. I'm not doing anything here except for lose money. Motherfucker. Yeah, what a choppity day.
yeah.
Still, you think there should be a move. There should be a move here.
to hold it right here, trying to build out a little bull flag. It didn't look like they're holding very good, but
Yeah.
we've got our 21 right there for support.
Uh-oh.
There was kind of our fast wick to wick back below this 77. See if we get that push back up right now.
Come on. Got way too many red lines on the screen now. Ah, shit. She's coming down. Maybe? Maybe? Yep.
Stop field. Stop field.
Well, there it goes. Yeah, man. Just way too barcodey of a day.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be impatient over here, and it's not working. I mean, ES did just form a really nice bear flag now. Same thing with Qs. Nvidia's dropping. We're below our VWAP now.
I don't know, guys.
VIX is spiking.
You know, 350s have been good to us, but
Still waiting, Marco says.
attaboy Marco, I'm trying.
Huh. Yeah, I mean, we just keep smashing that level. Are we going to break through it? Oof. Boom. Big wick down. Oof. 330s.
Yeah, a
Shoot.
little support at the 20 area maybe.
VIX just friggin' went through the roof. Q's that just barely tapping the bottom of its range. We're basically at the midway point of our 15-minute.
Yeah. Oh. I was worried about it ripping up without me, and there it went.
Yeah, I know, man. I see you getting itchy over there, bud.
When this thing actually goes fast,
Yeah.
like,
The wheels keep spinning and everything.
no, the front wheels are not like moving that well.
Oh, yeah. Well, sometimes it doesn't. It's really
Come
designed
on,
to like look
come
good.
on, why?
But yeah, make sure you guys
let's
go
make
get
it simple.
changed really quick so that you're
Let's
prepared,
give me
please.
Good luck.
Oh, thank you.
I love how this feels like so real.
It is real.
What?
It is.
How is this still alive?
Well, it's not really alive any longer. We just need to
It looks so good.
put it on the wall somewhere.
It still looks like so good.
Mhm.
We should put it on the walls in the airstream.
I know, we talked about that, but then we decided we wanted to enjoy it, and then we just never got around to doing it. So halfway down, are we thinking longs?
I
Yeah.
don't know. I mean, that was pretty intense right there. I don't know. I wish I'd have caught the bottom of that. I mean, I was a half a second away from clicking on it.
Right.
Hmm.
And then we got the 21 is right above it.
Yeah, you know, I hate that. We have that right above it. And it's pointing straight down on us.
And it's pointing straight down.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good point, man. It's just another thing that you don't think about, you know? Like, yeah, the line itself is obviously pretty important, but then the direction
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
line, you know?
Yeah,
If
it's
that
the
thing's a
nose
lawn
line.
dart, you know? Maybe shorts of the way then. So we came down, did the halfway point. We're going to go for the shorts. We'll give them a try.
I was kind of waiting on confirmation from Mark, so
Confirmation from Mark. He's got to let us know.
I gotta have like 3 of y'all tell me to short it. So
Yeah. Well, mine's not working so far. Uh-oh, I'm about to get tapped right there at the 21. I'll move it a little higher.
Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-huh. Sorry.
yeah, Mark, definitely a day like this with no trend. But see, when you're a super bull, Mark, the trend is always up.
Right? Oh, so close.
Yeah, I mean, Mark, that's like the second time it's kind of wicked through the 200 and bounced off of it.
Yeah. Oh,
I really
shit.
pay a lot of attention to that. But we got that wick through the 21 right there, so
And I literally just
Maybe
got
right
stopped
again.
out on half my position just for it to go immediately. Like, look at that. Again,
oh,
my stops. Look at that stop. Almost picture perfect for just rip friggin' down.
but now it looks like you have the perfect entry though.
Would you target this or low? I guess might as well target lower at this point.
Yeah, I would target lower if we can break. I mean, we had that wick through the 21, so I mean, hopefully we get to come back down through these 30s now.
Yeah. Nope. Okay, you stopped again. Ooh. What's going on over there?
Putting clothes on? What you should be doing?
Oh. Looking better when you're taking the clothes off.
Oh, yeah. Disney frowns upon that.
Disney frowns upon nudiness. I mean, this is really a bad place to stop, really. I should have it here again. Oh, boy.
Should I wear my high time socks?
You could. Taking a short with a candle close below 50, says Mark.
Jack, stop destroying all of the toys. How are you just getting into your destroying phase right now?
Got 40 seconds left of this candle, Mark. We might have it.
Boom. You can't wag your butt?
15 seconds. Oh, we got a wick. There we go. There's
There
your
she
candle
goes.
below it. There's a
There you
good
go.
candle below it.
Stop filled.
Well, got 40 points on 2 of them.
Heck yeah.
Wait, what the fuck did I just do?
Now Greg's long. He's riding the bounce.
God damn it.
Look at that, guys.
This is literally the second time today I've done this. The second time today that I've done this. How silly, man.
There you go. Look at that. He rides both directions, guys.
We're riding both, boys. We're riding both. Oh my god. How friggin' dumb. Oh, not a good day again. Fuck me, dude. Just can't do it. Last 4 days now. Last 4 days have been bad days.
Hey, but that was good. If y'all were quick enough to get in when they closed below 350 mark, man.
Yeah, that was good. There was a good
I
quick
wasn't
drop.
expecting it to quite be that fast. Maybe we get a little pushback up here now to break through. Yeah, maybe.
Order filled.
I mean, we're getting below the 200. Nvidia's below the box now, kind of retesting it. ES is pushing back up a little bit, but it's got the VWAP right there, so it's going to see a little rejection.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go get changed real quick. I'll be right back.
Sure. You still on that short mark? What's our target right there? Looks like we're trying to hold a little weak. Starting to get a few wicks down on a 1 minute. Wasn't quick enough. Yeah, man, that was fast. I was thinking about getting in the way you said it. Get left without me. Looks like we're building out a little bit of a bear flag, though, kind of. There's a little small break.
Stop
It's a
filled.
nice little break. Kind of was expecting a little bit of a push maybe through there a little bit better. Kind of bounced right back up. Got maybe 80 bucks out of that one, but just took it as soon as it kind of broke through that 38 area. You're in now. Dang, I like it. I don't know if this is going to try to hold or... I was just kind of trailing it thinking we were going to get a fast drop. That 27 area kind of held. Shucks. Got a little fake push up. Think we got to hit the 21 and then a big rejection, or? Man, nice push. I really thought we were going to go way well down into the 27s, the 310s. That 327 area was kind of a little shoulder back, 840-ish, so got that wick through now. Let's see a big push down maybe. I mean, if you look at the 5-minute mark, we kind of rejected off the VWAP back below the 200. Kind of crazy. That 350 area was our support for so long, and then it rejected right off of it. Now that 335 area is giving a little bit of problem. Really think we can push through there, though. I think we could see the 310s maybe if we can get through that 327 area. Got to get below 40. Yeah, I agree. He is fighting. There's the push. Come on, push down, baby.
All right. Did we lose all of our money? What are we doing? We're at the same place we were.
Well, you almost added one in and got stopped out just a few minutes ago, but then she ripped right back down. But it took some of yours off right there at the perfect spot. So
Damn, nice.
if we can get through these 40s, we kind of got through it. Now we're bouncing right back up to it. So
Shape. Man, it wants to,
it does.
but it just won't do it.
Daddy, I'm tall enough to go on the big roller coaster.
Nice, dude. Heck yeah,
It has to be
bud.
44 inches. Roy is just
Wow.
under. Roy's 2 inches under.
Heck yeah, bud. I'm excited. It's going to be a fun day.
Have you ever gone on that? Or no, because you've been waiting for me.
what is it called? The Boundless Snowman or something? Mount Everest? Oh yeah, I've been on Mount Everest before. You like it? It's a very fun ride.
I could have done it like 2 years ago.
You might have been able to. All right, what are we doing, guys? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I mean, Mark's in the short. I've been trying to root for him. We're below our
Nice.
40s now. I mean, I kind of think 310 should be in play if we can get through this 27 area. But
Yeah, right?
Order filled.
See if we can add a little bit to this. Just stinking. Go already.
yeah,
Oh, come on.
there's our 27 support. Now we need 40s to reject here. There's our rejection. See if we can hold it now.
Not looking good, says Mark. I know it.
Yeah, strong push back to the 200 EMA. Maybe to trap some bulls for y'all's sake, but
Hopefully.
strong push back down.
I mean, that's kind of your perfect setup now, huh, for the long.
Yeah, I mean it pushed down pretty fast, so I'm just here rooting for y'all right now. So
Alright, we might start taking a few of these off.
Order filled.
Watch, the second I do it, always fucking drops. Every term.
Stop filled.
there's a good push. So yeah, just trapping some bulls up there. Wick through the 21 to get that push back down.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we're still just kind of consolidating. Cut it for a smaller profit. Yeah, I kind of did too, man. I mean, it was small being like fucking $15, and then I lost $2. You know, I'm still holding 2 of them, but it's not looking great. Got 45 seconds left until the new 15-minute candle. Babe, just let me know when you want to leave. I'm ready whenever. On a day with no big moves, no reason to take an L. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, literally, look at the, you know, little bit of volatility this morning. Real nice pump up. But yeah, then ever since 10:13 now, most boring day for me to hang around, you know? I wish I was here for yesterday. Yesterday seemed like a much better one. The second I left at 10:30, it just pumped for the next hour. It just pumped straight up. Boom,
Yeah,
boom,
it
boom,
was
boom, boom, boom,
crazy.
boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Yeah, your ghost trade would have been beautiful.
Beautiful. You're gonna wick me finally, you son of a bitch.
Strong push back up.
Yeah, getting too much strength. 62. Shoot.
Stop filled.
Almost noon. We're still right on the 15-minute orb, Mark says. Yeah, bud, this is getting very barcodey, very frustrating. Disappointed in my performance today. Ugh. It's not good. And again, the crazy thing is I'm only using like 2 to 4 micros at a time. We're still down 400.
Yeah.
You know? What the hell? I don't get it. My trades. What have been happening with my trades? No, you should be disappointed in NQ's performance. Yeah, you're right, Mark. That's what I needed.
Yeah.
NQ, fuck you. You know?
Heck yeah,
Sorry for
Mark.
the little ones. Son of a bitch.
Get the dogs outside to go to the bathroom.
Alright.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wah. I'm not doing this fast enough.
Order filled.
There we go. I had to manually do it. I wasn't doing it fast enough.
Order filled.
Heck yeah.
No, we got some money off that. Hey, Miguel. What's up, big dog? And unfortunately, I'm
Hey,
on my
Miguel,
way
there you
out,
are.
man. All right.
Stop filled.
Time to go to Disney. Dang,
Yeah,
man.
heck yeah. I mean, it's a beautiful push up on the 5, but it, you know, we had the VWAP 1421 right there, so it rejected off of it.
Yep.
Kind of expected that a little bit, but
Man. Just the last 4 days, last 5 days. Don't follow my trades. Damn it, man. We're down
not
394.
supposed to anyway. This is for entertainment
394.
purposes only.
What's that?
I said they're not supposed to follow us anyway. This is for entertainment only.
Right. Entertainment purposes only.
Yeah.
Goddamn, though. How frustrating. And here I'm supposed to be leaving. I'm like, maybe one more. Maybe one more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I like that. I would
Right? That's not terrible.
Oh, you're learning. You're learning what the outlaws do.
Okay. Blew one of my counts this morning, Miguel. No. Ah, shit.
Whoa! Dad, did you see
Yep, and now it's the time it's actually going to come down. Of course.
No, I just had to wick through that little 324 area.
Has anyone seen a blue sock?
Not yet.
the color?
Hey, come on, guys, let's go.
I know, I literally have one sock on. I need another sock.
Let's go.
All right.
Here are socks.
Let's go.
All right.
How much money have you made?
We've lost money today, bud. We have not done well.
Made $12.
What time is it? Oh, 15
One
more
more trade,
seconds.
no Disneyland.
Order filled.
Come on, just give me a little push. Just a little guy.
Yeah, come on, we got a big one coming. Let's go.
Just a little guy. Come on. Just halfway to that candle is all we're asking for. Nope. Nope, 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 nope.
Let's
go.
go.
All right.
Down. Get the dog. That's gonna be great.
Order
I
rejected.
wish I wasn't even doing it that hard because that's where the ball hit me. This coach does hard balls.
Yeah, I know.
Let's
Nope,
go,
not
let's
gonna
go,
get it,
let's
guys.
go,
Not gonna
Buffalo.
get it.
Let's go!
All right, hold on. Let's see.
You said hold on 5 seconds ago.
There we go. This thing's gonna be
All
blown
we
in
need is-
68 bucks anyways. So we'll see.
All we need is a quick push on NQ, and y'all can leave right out the door, guys.
I know it. We just need one little guy.
Nope.
All right. Oh, there it goes. All right, gang. Well, fuck that account. Love you to death. Time for me to go to Disney. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you learned
Thanks,
a lot.
guys.
Down 640. Fuck. All right, we're learning, guys. We'll do much better tomorrow. Right?
Yeah, we'll see y'all
We'll do
tomorrow.
much better if you leave right now.
All right. Love you guys. Gotta get going. We're
Yeah.
getting yelled at. We'll see us. Thanks for stopping in.